Hey guys, Jerry Gonzalez here. Welcome to ProfitPalsPro. I'm just making a quick video here on the relaunch for ProfitPalsPro, and I just wanted to really talk to you a little bit. As a person, a human being, a lot of us have gone through a rough patch this year, and some of us, were just making it day by day, and you want to look for something that's going to allow you to make some sort of extra income, because you're either struggling to try to make money online. And I launched this back a year ago, and at the time we had set it up with an ad space program. I since then revamped it and actually have a product that we're selling where you as the reseller gets $50, and the admin gets $12.95 to set up your account. Once that's done and you're in, you now have to make your first sale, which will go to your sponsor, and after that you are qualified to start receiving sales from then on. So basically every sale after that is yours to keep, and everybody that you bring into the system owes you their first sale. So as you can see, when that person brings in their first sale, guess what? That person also owes you their first sale. So it just keeps building upon itself, and you start getting to build a huge team in that retrospect. So if you're looking for something to be able to make a side income from home and you just haven't found it, well, I invite you to ProfitPalsPro to give that a try. And what is the product that you're getting? Well, for starters, I just wanted to show you the website for a little bit. This is a website that is very attractive in a sense to the online marketing world. And if you're looking to generate that extra income to pay off bills, or to simply just pay off a mortgage debt, or to help you just supplement your income for groceries or whatnot. I know a lot of us have been struggling to try to find something that would actually help you. And so you do get product with the system. There's some testimonials. Of course, it's myself. Then we got Brittany Johnson and Mark Hopperton and Robert Colby, Tom the Furry Hat Guy, Kelvin Austin, and Ida Finley. And those are all testimonials that you can listen to. Now, what are we offering? We're offering the 5K formula, the expert marketer's toolkit. Now, this is a compilation of stuff that has been licensed to me and I've collected over the years. And let me tell you, if you are a beginner and you're trying to learn how to market the right way, then this information that's being offered here is something that I would recommend for you to actually listen to and study with, to be able to become an online marketer. So the first one we have is the Millionaires Online Audio Magazine Library. It's 10 one-hour interviews with marketing legends that was recorded by a great friend of mine, been a world-renowned marketer for over 35 years and is still marketing today. And these interviews here, they don't hold back. I mean, they tell you just how it is in the online marketing world and what you're supposed to do to be able to become successful in that arena. The downloadable ebooks, the CEO Wealth Formula, that's an ebook that I wrote. And So that's going to be offered as well in the package. Then we have the Mindset Transformation audio. Is a 3-part series that I recommend you do listen to. This is one of my old mentors that actually I learned a lot from. Mentors in Motion, Makers and Millionaires. That's one of my mentors as well. A good friend of mine and still a marketing partner as of today. This has been recorded. It's a 3.5-hour power seminar. The host is Val Smith. And then you have How to Get Prospects to Chase You. It's a 1-hour video training. And then we have the Make Money or Make Excuses course. This is, let me tell you, if you want to learn what to say, how to say it, and what to do whenever you're speaking to a prospect, this series here will help you a lot. Plus, we have additional bonus downloads, and just to show you what the package is all about. Limited time offer. You get the complete 5K formula package and bonus downloads. You get the CEO Wealth Formula, which is a PDF that was written by myself. The Make Money or Make Excuses course. It's a 4 parts. It was compiled into 4 parts. It's actually 8 parts long, but it was compiled into 4 to be able to download it easily. Okay, and then Mentors in Motion, Makers and Millionaires. This is actually a 6-part course, and it was compiled into 4 to be able to download it easier. Also, Millionaire on the online audio magazine library. You'll be able to just click on the magazine and be able to listen to those interviews, and you can also download them from there as well. And then we have the Mindset Transformation 3-part audio series, training series. This has actually taught me a lot in regards to marketing and what you're supposed to do and how you're supposed to do it. How to get prospects to chase you. And of course, we have also a section of the bonus downloads. Develop guts to talk to anyone. How to effectively build teams. Leveraging your business. Network marketing, your biggest ally. Top-notch email marketing. Affiliate marketing ideas. Facebook ad miracle. Don't be a Twitter twit. iPhone app cash. And marketing online. And so you get all this, $499 value, which is way worth more than what we're asking for. It's only $50, and once you come on board, of course, once you pay that to your sponsor, which if you come through me, I would be your sponsor. Currently, I'm ranked as a Black Diamond, and you can pay $50. To the sponsor through PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Venmo, Wise, Bitcoin, whatever you want to use that you'll be able to collect payments with. And then step 2, you're going to pay the admin $12.95 to get that set up. You get your own website exactly like this one. And if you join before November 30th, you're going to get an additional audio, digitally remastered audio, Unlocking the Master Key Systems, a 12-part self-study course. And this is actually a great listen to. So again, you pay with the admin with Stripe or PayPal. Currently, that's what we're accepting as payment. And that's pretty much it for the ProfitPalsPro in a nutshell. If you're interested and you want to learn more, or if you want to get involved, hit me up. You can find me on Facebook. I'll leave the link below. Or you can just join and email me at jerrygonzaleztx@gmail.com, or you can text me at 361-248-8662. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye for now.